In this video, I'm going to quickly tell you about the DeVilbiss CamAir QC3 air filter and dryer. I'm going to give you some tips on how to install it, show you how to change the filter, and give you my thoughts and opinions on it. This filter removes water, oil, and contaminants from your compressed air. It's a 3-stage filtering system that produces clean, oil, and humidity-free air to keep your tools and products working well. This is universal and can be used in any pneumatic compressed air system. This is very easy to install, but be careful not to go too tight on the left side 1/2-inch threaded hole on the cap, because it's a bigger hole and has less material at the top and can crack very easily with too much pressure. Unfortunately, I learned that the hard way, but successfully was able to JB weld over the crack without any leaks. So just be careful when piping into the cap, because they don't sell it separately. Everything else on this is very solid, very high end, and very nice. Most filters will catch some particles and debris and maybe help remove some of the moisture, but this one does a great job at removing water, oil, and all the particles, giving you nice, clean, dry air. You can easily see if your filter needs to be replaced or not by the indicator they have in the center of the top cap. If it's blue, it means it's good. If it's pink, it means it should be replaced. And if it's white, it means it should be replaced immediately. The filter is really easy to change as well by loosening the top bolts on this cap, twisting it, and it drops right out. This is on the larger side, but it's good because it has a larger filter, but is still small and compact enough to fit in most locations. It's perfect for the do-it-yourselfers or full commercial shops. It can be used as a standalone unit or part of a larger system. For maximum moisture removal, it's best to install it at the end of the line of your system. That way the air is cooler and will have less moisture in it when it gets to the filter. I would give this 5 out of 5 stars and recommend it to anyone who has a pneumatic compressed air system in their shop or garage.